How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to read the rewards of trading, whether the price is going up or down. Over on Bitcoin Dominance for the daily, it does look like we could have a bull flag here, but I would watch for a continuation to the downside. That VWAP is turned around. Remember, if we do get a breakdown from here, we could create a slightly lower high, which, if followed by lower lows, could start a bearish trend to help push our altcoins ahead of Bitcoin, which is needed if we're going to get an altcoin season. Over on total for the daily, we got most of our breakdown. We got about half of the move down. Again, don't get greedy with these moves, but we got about half the move down. So now we may see some bullish action if lower time frames maintain bullish action. That VWAP is pushing up, giving that momentum strength, and that money flow is pretty flat. So if that VWAP can stay bullish, we will see that start to reverse soon. Over on the 1 hour here, we do have higher highs and higher lows. We did kind of go straight sideways. We tried to get our breakdown. We did not get the full breakdown, and now we're kind of just chopping sideways. So if we continue to consolidate sideways after getting a push up, we could create a bull flag that could try to retest that 936 and push our altcoins further. That VWAP is in bullish territory. Momentum is pushing forward, so we do look pretty positive, providing that VWAP can stay bullish. We'll get on the graph for you in a bit. Over on Bitcoin, also thanks for watching tonight, Abolisher. Hope you're having a great night. Over on Bitcoin futures for the daily, we are kind of range locked here as well. We did try to fall away from our pattern, but we were unable to do so, so this could be a positive sign. Our stochastic does want to push forward. VWAP is gaining strength, pushing momentum higher, and that money flow is in the red. But if that VWAP continues to bring that momentum higher, money flow will start to reverse. Over on the 1 hour, again, similar to futures or similar to Bitcoin, we did have a rising channel. We did not get the break away like we did on Bitcoin. We're kind of just chopping sideways here. But overall, we are chopping sideways after a push up that could create a bull flag to again help push us forward. So if we look over at Bitcoin here, we'll hop to the daily. Our VWAP is pretty similar. We do have that potential higher high. Momentum is pushing up. Money flow does want to gain strength. So again, we are trying to push forward, but we can see we did try to get that breakaway. And then we kind of went sideways since we got that push. Now we are trying to make a higher low, so this could be positive. If this is that higher low, like we said to watch for last night, then we could push up, retest that 93K, and if we can break and hold above that 93K, then we could see some further bullish momentum, and we could see a push forward. So that would be the next area I would be watching with this higher low. If we see a lower high or see a strong red candle after getting this long upper shadow candle, then I would exercise caution, but this is a pretty straight channel down, so it could be forming a descending channel. That descending channel does want to push you up. Remember, descending channels push you up. Bearish continuations where the highs and lows don't connect push you down. So over on a graph, it's likely we would get a push up if total does get that push forward. We did try to break our resistance, kind of got rejected by that resistance, but again, watch lower time frames. That VWAP does want to push bullishly. Momentum is trying to get a green dot, so that could be a bullish sign, providing lower time frames maintain bullish action. Over here on the 1 hour, you can see we did break that resistance. We got a retest, tried to make a bounce, and then we retested again and just fell through. Then on the third retest, we kind of rejected. So I would watch for this to continue. It does look like we may start to edge our way away here, but this again could be a straight descending channel, which could try to push us up, as that would be the third touch to the bottom here. So if we do approach that 11,057, watch for a break in a confirmation. If we get a break in a confirmation, then we're going to push up back to our consolidation range, possibly first stopping at that 11,902, where that gap back here is. Remember, gaps have an 80% likelihood to fill. That VWAP is also bullish, pushing momentum higher, and if that VWAP can stay bullish by us getting a strong green candle next, then we could push forward. Right now, we have the potential for an indecision and a long upper shadow candle, so if we see a strong red candle, we could still pull back and see it drop away. I would watch this 10 cent area as a strong support, and then if we do not hold that, then we could push lower, but that'd be dependent on that total breaking down. Now, if we go to our stablecoin here for Ethereum, we do have a little bit of a push forward, but again, long upper shadow candle, so error on the side of caution. Stochastic is starting round, RSI is flat. VWAP is bullish with a higher low, so that does look positive, providing lower time frames can maintain. So over on the 1 hour, we have a consistent low with higher highs, so we could be trying to push forward. It does look a little iffy though, so I would still keep an eye on this. Now, I wouldn't really draw any patterns from this. This could be a shoulder, so I would watch for a push up and rejection. If we get a push up rejection, that could create a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, which could push us back down toward this like zone right around that 2K. That momentum does want to push up though. VWAP is gaining strength, so if that VWAP stays bullish, then we will continue forward and retest that 23K. If that VWAP stays bullish after getting that retest around 23K, then we could push up to these other consolidation ranges. I'd say possibly around this 24.8, 25K range. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe and join us in that Discord.